Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner in Austin there, and I'm going to show you the three things that I got. I'm going to show you the three things that I got at the family store today. So the first one that I got is this singing Steelers Pug. This one is made by Gemmy Industries Corporation. So the first one I got at the family store today is this Gemmy singing Steelers Pug. Okay, so I already changed his batteries, and this one works, but it does not move. Yeah, this dog works, but it does not move. His gear is split. It does not move or anything. It just sings. Yeah, this one works. Yeah, this one works, but the gear is split and it does not move. Okay, so this one has his Steelers shirt on, and here's his football that is holding in his hand. Yep, so here's his Steelers shirt. He's really cute. Yep. Yeah, this dog does not move. His gear is split. Yeah, I guess I should fix him later. This one sings the moving and shaking. The moving and shaking song, whatever that song is called. This one sings the moving and shaking song. So let's push this button. Whoa. See, his gear is moving and it's not moving. The gear is moving and it's split. Yep, his gear is split and it does not move. But he's cute though. He works, yep, it works, but his gear is split and he's not moving. So later I should fix him. I should fix this dog later, after the video. And the second one that I got is this frog. It's a squeezer. It's a singing frog squeezer. Yep, the second one. I got this singing frog squeezer. I already changed his batteries. Yep, I already changed his batteries, and it works perfectly when you squeeze him. I don't know what this song is called. The song is called about Kiss Me or something. And this frog is made by Sound and Light Animatronics Ltd. What is it? Is it Ltd? Yeah, Ltd. It's made by Sound and Light Animatronics Ltd. Okay. Yep, I already changed his batteries I already changed the frog's batteries and it works perfectly. And then the third one that I got at the family store is this. The third one that I got is this Wizard of Oz Golden Sound Storybook. I tried to change its batteries, and look, no wires are coming off. Here's the battery compartment right here. I tried to change the batteries in this book, but the batteries are popping out of this book. Yep, so this is the third one that I got at the family store, is this Golden Sound Story, The Wizard of Oz Golden Sound Story book. It's a sound book, like, in the back, here's the back side. Here are the buttons that are in this book. Here are all the buttons. The first button is Toto, whatever that dog's name is. The first button is Toto. The second button is Clouds. The third one is the Sunshine. And the fourth one is the tapping foot thing. And this one is that scarecrow, but I don't know. And the next one is that scarecrow, this scarecrow thing. But I don't know what his name is. And this one looks like a soldier robot thing. The next one is that soldier robot. And here's that lion. You guys all know this one. This lion. Yep, and the last one is this lion. Here's his speaker right here. Yep, so here's all the three things that I got at the family store today. The first one that I got is that Jemmy singing Steelers Pug. And the second one that I got is this frog, this singing frog squeezer. And the third one that I got is this Golden Sound Story Wizard of Oz sound book. And I also got something at Walmart too. Yep. I also got something at Walmart too. Okay, so at Walmart that I got today is this. Yep. At Walmart today, I got this singing, spinning rainbow llama. It's made by Dandy, Collector's Choice. This one's made by Dandy. And the song that this one sings is Office Party. Yep, it's beautiful and it's colorful. I got this at Walmart today. This is a 2019 Dandy item. Okay, so this one is really fuzzy, furry. Okay, let's push his button. Here's what he does. This one spins. His head spins. He spins around as this one sings Office Party. That's what the song is called. Yep, so I got this llama at Walmart today. Okay, so here's the video about these three things that I got at the family store today. And I got one at Walmart today. That spinning llama. That Dandy spinning rainbow llama. Okay, guys, so goodbye and have a great day.